Check, check. 1, 2, 3. Check, check. Okay. Let's check. See if it's working. It says it is working, but I'm not. Okay, it is working. What? Was it not titled properly? Okay. Huh, that's odd. Okay, let me just fix it. It's been a while. Hello, welcome back to another coding not so every day until I get a job. Okay, that did not work. Or it does, so let's do testing. Okay, apparently that works. It's fine. Okay, never mind. Sorry, the thing is updated and it's been a while. Hello, welcome back to another Coding Not So Every Day Until I Get a Job. This is day 119. And I don't know, what should I say? So today I'd like to create a React dashboard, or at least like design, I guess. Design or create a dashboard, and it is day 119. And yeah, save. Let's go back here, close this, and see if it's working. I guess it is. Cool. Okay. YouTube has a new UI, but yeah, I hope my voice isn't too loud or too not loud. Okay. There has to be a way where I could put, I hope the music isn't too loud, but as per usual. Okay, so basically I have been tasked to, what the fuck is this? Create some sort of a dashboard. And so I want to design it first, and then I could probably ask either Physero or the other AI to help me made it. So yeah. Okay, this chat window is very annoying. And I got a new earphone, IEM. And yeah, probably the background is different because hahaha, surprise, I'm back in Germany. It's complicated. Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so basically, I know the design is not that good, I would say. But basically, they already have the page by itself, but I was tasked to create like a better version, not really better, just like something with a better data visualization. That's at least what I was tasked with, because the previous one is a bit more, how would I say, a bit more flat. And yeah, I've been tasked to create a, how do I say it, like a much more intuitive, I would say, or like a much better representation of the data for the dashboard. So yeah, it's for the client. I don't know if I could share this actually, but all of this is dummy data anyways, so I hope it's okay. Please don't sue me. Okay, so basically I took a lot of inspiration from the ShadCN, so that's what I'm gonna be using as well, just to make everything easier. And but yeah, I used TwigCN to get the color. I already set up everything, and yeah, the thing is I have no idea what um pages do I need? Of course, I would need some sort of login, and it already has like a backend, so this is just really for the front end part. So I ask Gemini to read the whole like backend code and ask how do I create a React dashboard from this like API. So here it is. I want to just use React Vite just because it's fast, and yeah, I guess I have to use TypeScript, so I could put TypeScript on my resume. So, and then of course React query. Okay. It recommended using Axios. I'm not entirely sure if that's like a good thing or no. Like, okay. I don't create a large dashboard, template to React, yes. Blah, blah. Install Tailwind and initialize, yeah. Axios buffer. What is the buffer package? API, components, hooks, libs pages, env, create an API client. Instead of just a client, we'll create a dedicated functions for API calls. This is a cleaner pattern that works well with, okay. So we use Axios to get this API client, and yeah, okay. Wow, okay, buffer. Okay, I need to look that up, but it's okay. Yeah. Should I just use cursors to help me create this? I'm probably gonna change it to using PNPM. The using API and the 10 stack, it's okay, I guess. Okay. Okay. Here is how to implement the add remark feature with an optimistic update for a seamless user experience. Okay. Reference, yeah. So there will be like a remark, some sort of like a message that the dashboard would do. Okay. Okay. I think we can use cursor, but first I'm gonna use PNPM. You know what? Let's just try to make it right now, I guess. Let's do it, I guess. We could give that a try. Install all of this. Yeah, okay. Wait, yeah, I think I already set up the file before. Atlas, yeah, I already did. Okay. Let's open this in another terminal. I'm gonna open this just so that I could read the Vite React docs, just so that we could follow. Why doesn't the Vite? Well, this is the doesn't have the, okay. We have the German website here. Cool. Why is it? Doesn't, why the English one doesn't have the thing? Okay. Yeah, React, yes. Oops. Okay. PNPM, create Vite. Yes, create Vite. Can do that. Current directory is not empty. Ignore files and continue. We want to use React, and we just want to use what is the TypeScript, the difference between TypeScript and TypeScript compiler? I'd like to check the stream on my phone, whether or not it's working. It's supposed to be working, right? On my phone, whether or not. Check, check. Okay, cool. I guess let's just use the regular. I guess that doesn't matter. At this point, it doesn't matter. Let's just use the TypeScript. No. Install with npm start now? Yes. Can already feel the machine getting destroyed. I'm just gonna use NeoVim. I'm trying. Okay, it's starting dev server already. Let's check 5.1. There we go. Seems to be working just fine. Cool. Nice. Okay, I guess we can do that, and then let's do ls. All of that should be here. We have that, and I think what we want to do is now Tailwind. Installing Tailwind. So npm install Tailwind css at Tailwind css git. We can open Vim. Oops, sorry. Config. Oops, wow. Tells us is declared, okay. Define config, react. Done. Okay, we should initialize git repository, okay? And then we can go to src. Do we put in the index or app.cs? I think we could delete. Yeah. that's the index.css. I forgot. What is the command to open, let's just open the terminal. Yeah, I'm not using tmux here because I'm not using WSL, but it's fine. We can do that, and then we can do run npm run dev to check the localhost 5173, and it is not working. Ah, sorry, I should delete that from app.tsx. Nice. Okay, now what we can do is just I thought I already have the LSP set up, but oh. Hello world. Class name, let's do like x to xl. Okay, let me do this. Really? Don't. If I remember, there is an LSP for that. So maybe formatter or LSPs, CSS. I guess. Tailwind language server, yeah, install. Who knows what life will. Never mind, sorry. Is it installed? Okay. Okay, cool. Now there we go. Did I forget to set up something? Wait. Oops. Is it not working or? Okay, no, okay, it's working. Cool, okay. I really like that it highlighted it. Okay, so next one is setup. Cn v. Is it correct? Okay. So we need to edit this. We added the TS config and okay. What personal? What else should we add? Oops, sorry. That's that. There's 3, correct? Files, references by state no, okay. And add the following code to the tsconfig .app.json. It's in the compiler options. I have no idea. Where should I put it here? Oh, here we go. Should I just put it here? Is that correct? Or is it... Okay. Okay, what is... Am I able to... For some reason, the search functionality does not work, so we can go to package.json. Yes, didn't type notes, yeah. So it's okay. And then feed config again. Add the following code. Path from Roth. Okay, yeah, chill out, chill out. We need path and that, and then in the plugin, React Tailwind. Thank you. Thank you. Type safety. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Let's see if we make any mistake. No, should be working. Now we can do npm dlx. That's okay, so I think it should be good. Now what I want to do is like go into like the blocks component, and from there I want to use this, or oh, okay. Okay, let me open it with VS Code because I am confused here. Like, what's wrong here? Is it working? I mean, it's... Oh shit! I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay. Did it still? I think it should be dead since I closed it. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. So I want to install, I want to use the sidebar from this, but I want the content is similar to this. I don't know if that's possible. I'm gonna try to ask AI to do that, I guess. But before that, let us install all of this first. That's a query. Oh, okay. npm install at 10 stack slash query Axios and buffer. Oh my god, the RAM usage is like 90%. Okay, cool. And we need to PNP. Let's just initialize a get just so that we could I think for the logo we can put it inside of the public. I just want to, yeah. Probably gonna convert them into PNG. Okay. Set up React beat cn. Do I want to? No, it's okay. Let's keep it local for now. At least we already tracked it. So the next part that we should do is you know, I'm gonna just gonna use VS Code for now. Oh my god, hello, Mr. Tuck, sorry. Been a long time as well. I apologize for not being present because it's just, yeah, been so much things going on and yeah, life. But I'm trying to go back. I'm trying to apply for more jobs. I failed a few interviews. I went blank in the tech. Oh god, it was horrible. I couldn't remember anything, and it was just terrible. How are you doing, Mr. Tux? I'm sorry I couldn't reply with the keyboard because I don't know. I already opened too much stuff, and it's probably not gonna be good for my RAM. But yeah, glad to see you too. How are you? Okay, that's that. And then the next one that we need is to create. Do you create it in the main or okay? Let's check the docs as usual. I don't know if you can hear, but I guess I had a little bit of cold and trying to get back, trying to be healthier. But yeah, I'm taking my vitamins and but yeah, trying to be healthier, I would say. How about you? Any good news? Any interesting news? Okay, how do we configure it? I forgot how to set up the initial query placeholder mutation. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to code for a while. I am. What happened? What happened, man? What happened? Was passiert? Okay, I'm just gonna install this component and then check if okay. I'm just gonna follow this. It's probably grabbing it from the docs anyway. Okay, that's a completely different thing. Huh? I've already installed it. Why is it not working? It's declared. Oh, okay, sorry. How do we know if it's working? Should run the yeah. What did you do, man? What? How come you got punished? Do you get like a bad score or something? Oh shit. What is this? Okay, that's not good. What the fuck? Okay. What is this error? Um, what happened? Is it like a very important test? Huh. Okay. I'm gonna ask AI for this because I have no fucking. I don't know about this. Okay. Let's do grow code fast inside of the SRZ. Okay. I am trying to set up this React app, but God. Could you help me fix it? Oh damn, yeah, I got bad score. Math 55, history 65. Is it that hard? What's like what branch of math was it that? And what makes it difficult? Geography 43, damn. Okay. I mean, like, shouldn't you use your computer to study? Ah, okay. There's an issue with the index.css. Aber ich weiß es nie. Okay. I'm just gonna ask, I'm not gonna ask it to edit anything. I want to Damn, okay. Do you need to take it again? Or what's like the... Holy, okay. What is it you need to do then after this? And when will you get the computer back? Is it because I haven't downloaded the EW Animate CSS? Come on, is it because I haven't downloaded it yet? Okay, it's not packaged. Okay, let's try that solution, yeah? Let's see if it's working. Ah, fuck. It's the wrong one. Okay. So what are you planning to do? Oh god, okay. Still error. Nope, that does not work. Okay. Oh my god, don't do that, man. I mean, couldn't you use your PC for studying? Why didn't you use that? Okay, that did not work. Okay. Here in Turkey lessons are hard as fuck. It is like China's lesson? Damn. So what's like, do you have to do like a, how is it, like a makeup test, or like do you do what you got to do to earn the PC back, you know? What's like the plan here? Okay, the table says it's animate. Let's just PM. So would that work? I'm going to miss Linux. But I mean, like, you still need it for school, right? What's... Did I like configure it wrong? Like Oxford Messenger tries to solve Turkey's university test and he failed. Whoa. Really? What? Damn, okay, that is interesting. How do you do? I am still trying to find work. I'm still trying to find work. I still have some savings, but I really, really need to find work. Hello, hello. Name Name. Name. Welcome. Okay, that works. But I do not see the... Okay, I see the DevTools. Cool. Idiot companies fires programmers and uses AI. And yeah, I think in a few... I don't know, maybe in a few months or in a few years, they would probably rehire devs again. Hopefully. Because by that time, they probably realize that the AI are breaking stuff. Okay, so I did make a color scheme, so I think I'm going to change it to that. I already have like a color scheme set up. There we go with the root. Root, dark, and the other stuff. Okay, root and dark. Okay, the theme inline still the same. I just have the... How would I do this? Maybe we can just copy this. Oh, that's the theme inline. Okay. Oh no, that's the theme inline as well. Okay. So theme inline, dark and root. Okay, we can do this. Yeah, I read the memes. I read the memes and the articles that they're just breaking things. They're just, yeah, Microsoft doing Microsoft things as per usual. Yeah. Can I copy? If I'm not mistaken, I could actually copy this. Why couldn't... Okay, cool. BT locker issue, task manager leak, etc. Bro, just get ChatGPT to make the colors and focus on problems. I did. I already have the colors set up, by the way. So that's that. And so, okay, the next part is... Okay, wait, yeah, I forgot to add... Okay. Apple's calculator, it's... Hey, you know, the empire always fall. Just like... I didn't know that the Apple one. I don't know if that's a joke or that's real. Is that real? It's programmers. Guys, calm down. Chill. Wait on Twitter. Why are you updating my CSS variable? No, it didn't. Team switcher. Okay. Hooks. Cool. Okay. So how do we use this? Okay. We have assets with public. What's the difference between assets and public? Like, damn. Components, UI. So how do you use this? Okay. Probably a problem with the new GUI library. Oh, is it because the new iOS, the new Mac OS or the iOS? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crass. Okay, I'm gonna prompt engineer this properly right now. So okay. Oh shit. Check. Sorry, my microphone just fell. Damn. Can you guys hear the sound better? I hope I didn't disturb my roommates by speaking a bit too loud, but it is what it is. Sorry. Don't update it. Okay, please. Okay. Oh shit, there's another sidebar. Oh, it's gonna be complicated, is it? Let's add React Router first. Don't do any mistake. If not, someone will like shoot something or something, right? That's how you prompt the AI so that it will produces the best result. Okay, I think this is gonna overlap. This is gonna overlap and probably not gonna work. Okay, nice. I hear, yeah. Okay, okay. So basically, what? Oh, holy shit. Okay, okay. I'm gonna ask to help me. Okay. This is a lot of components that I might not be using, but it is what it is. Okay, let's just agent it out and like, okay, okay. I have, I need help. I just want the declarative one. API rate router. Okay. Oh no, I don't want to open that. Can I do that? No, okay. Then it's not doing anything. Okay. Okay. Sonar turn successful. Okay. Okay. Routing. I'm gonna ask AI. Okay. So. Okay. I need your help to configure the React router setup. Yeah. Of course it is. Natürlich, es ist schwierig, das ist natürlich schwierig. I need your help to configure the database and setup and create routes for slash login slash client. Ah, shit, I forgot. Let me check out the notes that I made. I'm fine. Hello. Hello, hello. We have Kung Fu Panda and Mr. Tux and a koala? Name? Are you using koala as your profile? Wait. Why are you guys using animals? Hello, hello. Welcome to Coding Not So Every Day Until I Get a Job. It is what it is. Let's see what it will do. Trust. I'm using it just as a router and not the remix framework because I'm totally fine with this. Skip because I already installed it. Okay, it's a placeholder component. Created the dashboard component. Where did he create the dashboard? Skip. Why do we have main dashboard when the... Okay, what is this? Okay, I think this is the new way they set it up. Okay. Special account ID. Yeah, that's correct. We're gonna have active face. Okay, that is true. And then let's try to run it, I guess. It's probably not gonna work. Let's see. See, told you, didn't work. I have web shit. It's so much harder. The job shit. I'm currently looking for a job right now, and as you can see, I've been looking for the past almost 6 months now. Oh god, this is terrible. Okay, but yeah, I had a few interviews, but I failed because I was a bit too nervous. Not a bit too nervous, I'm very nervous. I went blank. I couldn't answer anything properly. It was terrible. Okay. Okay, maybe we should create the libutils. Yeah. I don't know why. It's probably okay. Coding for money is too hard, I think. It is. Oh, there we go. That is awesome. Cool. Okay. 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 Is that working? Is that working? I just want this to work for now, and then I will update them according to the design. Is it working? Okay. If I go to the, what page do I have? If I go to /login, will I go somewhere? This login page? Cool. Hello, what's up, Yahoo? I do it for money. It's embedded Linux and super simple, complicated, suppose anybody can learn it. IQ is the only requirement. How long did you like master C++? Because to be honest, I did took a course using C++ and I still couldn't understand a lot of it. But yeah, how is like the, what did you do? May I ask, name with the embedded stuff? But yeah, Yahoo, welcome back. Sorry, I've been MIA again. I'm a C++ and I have okay, we have the login page, we have the layout. Okay. Active case is the main, and then we would have that member, this member page, correct? And then we have special account as well. Cool. And then special account /1 special account detail. Yeah, cool. I think, would that be all? Special account face as member. I think that should be most of the routes, correct? Okay. Do I have a lint setup? We do. Okay. Holy shit. Okay. 7 problems. Okay, most of it is Shatsy and stuff, so I think we could ignore that. Do we have like a flag fix? No? I don't think we have, right? No, okay. So the thing is, it's working, so let's commit them. I know I should have made like a... It's gonna be a bit complicated. Setup. That's the end. Like router. What else do we set up? Yeah, shut up. Correct. Let's commit. Nice. Okay. I didn't use any of these visualization like templates. It's all C+11, but written like it's year 2005. Ooh. What type of like, how long have you been a C++ dev? Is your name, and like what is your like preparation for it, if I may ask? Okay, cool. Now the next step is to create. What's wrong with this file? Group has the collapsible can be written as collapsed as data in the collapse. Can I just sort of do that? Okay, let's not do that. Fuck, okay. Ah, okay. How come it's not working? It's old school. Suppose let's just see with classes and I'm learning as I go. Okay. Damn. Okay. You know TypeScript. You can be angry. I don't care. Let's just not do discard and just discard. Yeah, it's okay. Well, Linus Torvalds. Just I think we can actually do this later. It's fine. Let's just focus on like the UI stuff first. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask a lot, but okay. Pardus 2. Oh, fixing XOR convention after a bad update's very. Nah, you should broke it by yourself. When you don't broke it yourself, it becomes boring. Gotta make life a bit more interesting, right? Let's see what. Oh, okay. Build rule or Yocto? What are those things, guys? I have no idea. Ooh, this looks nice. Yeah, as member, special account Alphamart. That is correct, actually. Wow. Okay, it's still loading. Keep. Okay. I'd like to. Okay, we need to add like some sort of a background here, just to make that logo more visible. Actually, this looks much nicer than I anticipated it to be. The images need to be folded, and probably I'll find a smaller logo for that. Okay, cool. Now good night to you too, Mr. Tux. Thank you for tuning in. I'll try to be more active again since I really, really need to get a job. This is depressing. This is getting very, very sad, by the way. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. No, I don't want block. I want charts. How can I download the charts? Pushing codes with DBs. Damn, I forgot my notes. Okay, I've successfully implemented the active case dashboard with all the requested feature. 60 sample cases for pagination testing, data for total loss, total case chart, lob chart, horizontal bar chart, clean minimal design. Okay, I'm a bit nervous of how it will turn out, but let us see. The lob charts. Do we need to install anything? From the looks like it, we don't, but here is the some of the data that we have. So it is very, very cool. Oh my god, thank you, Claude, for making this. Holy, it's even like, how does it know this? Damn, holy shit, Claude, that is scary. It is able to create the ref and everything. Oh my god, this is scary, bro. Okay, let's try to. This is insane. Okay, definitely gonna be learning about LLMs a lot, man. This is insane. How does it be able to do that? Amazing. Okay. Just to be safe, let's run the lint. Claude Sonnet, bro. Insane. Okay, we have the 7 problems, but I think it's all from... Let's see, let's see. Will it throw us an error? I hope it did, because then it would be much more, how would I say, much more normal. Holy, okay, that is still not what I want. Where is the bar chart? This looks good, but where is the bar chart? Holy, okay, that is cool. Okay. There is still a lot of things that I need to do. Let's see if the pagination work. Oh god, that is so cool. Okay. Okay. Bar chart. Total case. I did not see the total case. Total case. Why didn't I see the total case? Okay. I didn't see the total case? Why is that? There is a total case and not the lob chart. What is the lob chart much more? Okay, I could, okay, I think we need to install something. Okay, okay. Here is the update. Okay, total case, and then we have the log chart, and then we have the total claim. Is it the claim? What is total gross? Total gross. Total gross. What is the total gross? I'd like to. Okay. Why didn't it show the pie chart in the other? Yeah, I'm confused here. Okay, it looks okay. Just some of the stuff not working. Oh yeah, this is much better. Okay. I need this lob chart to be smaller though, because this is a bit too high and I couldn't see the tooltip. Okay. Well, not as much similar to the design, I could say. Why is the bar chart so tall? I do not want it to be that tall. I just need to be shorter. And why is it so tall? But this looks nice. Okay, this looks pretty good. Okay, not that bad. Oh, that looks good. Okay, this is probably asking for a lot, but I need the lobe. How can I make the content not overflowing? Okay, I guess it's not possible. There we go. That is much nicer. Okay, cool. Why couldn't we just adjust it? This is probably gonna be bad, but let's see how it will look like on mobile, even though opening this on mobile is just asking for disaster. Although it looks pretty okay, if I say so myself. Like, I wouldn't really use this on mobile, but it's totally maybe if we go with like a tablet. The tablet's still okay, you know? Tablet's still okay. Maybe not. This is desktop, yeah. Just have it was working just fine. Well, I didn't change anything. My god. It's not loading? Okay, that is much better. This is really annoying me. Okay. How can we increase the I want this to be the same height as this. How can I not do that? Notifications, that's Oh, okay. Hello, Ahmed. How are you? Thank you for waiting for me, even though yeah, I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry. I haven't been able to focus on doing this again because just it's just been too much things going on in the past 2 months. So yeah, I'm unable to consistently doing it again, and I still haven't found a job, which is again sad. But it's okay. No worries. Okay, I think I could present this first as like an example. Um, a lot of it is still not being done. Okay, wait, yeah, let me go to sidebar. I think we did use this, yeah. Speech. That's actually not that good, is it? ML like 4. Yeah, there we go. Can put it in the middle. Is it better menu or let's do navigation? Maybe that's much better. Active case dashboard. Okay, this looks great. To be honest, I want these active to be on top alongside the foldable thing, but I don't think it's possible. And the search as well. But I'm gonna ask, yeah. Oops. Your Whoever did a great job, looks fresh. Thank you. Do you know who cut it? It was my brother and my dad. No kidding, I have proof. It was my father and my brother that cut it. So here, I have proof. I cut it at home because um, my father used to be a barber, and my brother kind of likes doing it. So here it is. I don't know if you can see, but that's my brother. So he and my father is the one that cut my hair. So shout out to my brother and my father. Thank you. Sorry. Would it be possible for the header of usually like this dashboard? They did an amazing job as well. So I don't have to go to a haircut for a while now. Hair. How is it 2 years ago? I am applying jobs and using AI to help me and do other stuff, but it's just like it's very tough right now, and I guess I'm not that good and when interviewing. I did a few interview, but I couldn't really do it. Hello, create mail late night there. Happy mid good happy midnight. Um, I am trying to make a dashboard, basically just like a. It's the I want to. So this project, they already have like an API, but they don't really have like a quote unquote informative front end. So that's what I'm trying to do, or like the task that I've been given is to make it more informative, I would say, make it more manageable, make it more understandable for the user or the client to be able to um, see the cases here. So yeah, a lot of it's just like internal data, but like it's not very niche and industry specific. But yeah, the thing is they just want a nice UI basically, and that's what I'm trying to do. But this is like the first draft. I think I'm gonna try to deploy it on maybe Cloudflare pages or something like that to just send it to them so that they could access it and can see like, is it okay? What are the changes? What are the things that you want to add? Things like that. And yeah, so basically making a dashboard UI. But yeah, all of the data is still dummy data, and all of it's still dummy data, and I'm probably yeah going to be having a lot of mm, revision basically. So yeah, basically just trying to make a good dashboard UI. That's like the whole thing here. Okay, that's Yeah, this is actually much better. Looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. Then you have this, but yeah, the other one are not finished yet. You know, I don't like the separator thing. I'm gonna remove it. I think it was your competitive programming versus project development. I think people should do both because competitive programming, you are really trained to find hard solution. You need to find like the fastest solution as well, like the fastest, most optimized. You really need to understand like the ins and outs of that specific language or a specific framework, something like that. I've never done competitive programming. My friend did, and yeah, safe to say they didn't. Yeah, it was quite hard. I don't think I could as of right now because I really prefer making project stuff. Like yeah, like something like this, something that I could see. So yeah, but I think I'm definitely want to learn more about competitive programming, especially like for interviews and stuff. I should really learn basic DSA again. Yeah. So yeah. Actually, I prefer both. Why not both? Like you could still do okay, maybe no, what I mean is that I think a little bit of both is better, or at least for me. I think since I've been doing mostly project, I think I really need to learn more on the more raw language and the programming itself. So yeah, I think balance both rather than choosing only one. Would that be an issue if I change the name? How many hours do you program per day on average? I think 2 hours. It really depends, really. But sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Sometimes I didn't code if I am too sad. But yeah, I think this, especially with the stream and everything, on average, I think it's like around 2 hours. Thanks, man. I hope you can learn. What are you focusing on right now? Wish you all the best as well. Because I think if I could go back in time, I should probably focus more on learning legacy technology. Because all the Java openings for old, it's either the big three of Java, C Sharp, and PHP. That's like all the job, and it's like the languages and framework that I didn't learn. So yeah, I mean, if I could start over, I would just like they would just learn the boring stack that's is used by big businesses and just like sounds boring, looks boring, but very stable, you know. But yeah. Cool. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna try to deploy it just for testing so that let's hope I didn't mess things up. I don't have any thing because it's still just a UI app, so no backend stuff yet. So Cloudflare pages, please work. Okay, nice. Build in 7 seconds. Nice. Deploying to Cloudflare global network. Ah, okay. Specify an entry point to your worker script via the command line, or create a JSON file containing. If are uploading a directory of asset, you can either specify the path of the directory of the asset via the command line, or create a wrangler.jsonc file containing for collection of tree directory of assets. Build complete. It worked. Lovely. That is amazing. Let's see. Rec router, cloud of layer, and recharts. Cool. Okay, nice. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I can do it again maybe like 2 or 3 more times this week. Maybe like maximum 2 more times this week, but I'm pretty much okay with this, but I'm gonna need to ask the project manager to check whether or not this is okay. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next stream. Bye bye.